Hello friends, in this video I will share with you the photos of the trip I spent the weekend with my family because last weekend I have been to Izmir with my family for walking and to buy shoes for my little girl. By the way, I also wanted to give you some information about Izmir where I spent my childhood. Izmir, located in the Aegean region of Turkey, is the third largest city in Turkey. It is the third most populous city in the country in terms of population. It is one of the leading cities economically, historically, and socio-culturally. Its population is more than 4,300,000 people as of 2020. It is surrounded by the provinces city of Aydın, Balıkesir, Manisa, and the Aegean Sea and Aegean Island. Since I will shoot a more detailed video about Izmir in the coming weeks, I am ending it here for now. Enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye.